the bride's bouquet, may request, of course, na Marilyn and Sir Michael. Double ladies ba? Or single pa talaga? So we have here another beautiful lady. Taken ba to? Single? Go here? Here? Para maganda yung lighting po natin. Dito po dito. Nausap tayo dito. And of course, yung ating pong mga single men. Later. Yan, spread tayo, spread. Beautiful. Okay, hanggang sa may matira. So if you don't want to be the next to get married, you have to touch the bouquet. Wag mo na.
MC, come on.
Okay? Bakit po tayo-tayo ng layo? May sasaluhin nyo, ha? Diba? Pag nasalo nyo, matatanggal kayo. Ganun ang concept niyan. So, if you don't want to, you want to get married next, huwag mo saluhin. Okay? We have to help them. We have to count, okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay? Isa pa daw, ma'am. Lapit kasi kayo para maganda rin yung ating picture. Ayan. Para mas malapit. Okay? Another. 1, 2, 3. Okay? You have to give it to her. You can now sit down. Miss Beautiful. Pwede ka na umupo. Okay? Next. 1, 2, and 3. Ba talaga? Ayaw, gusto niyo po talaga, Gusto niyo po sumunod na? Meron po ba dito desperate? You don't want to catch, you want to get. Okay? Another, 1, 2, 3. Oh. Dapat dito kayo pumili. Pumili na lang kayo, saluhin nyo na lang. Challenge tong mga to. Ayaw yung pasayahin yung bride natin. Well, anyway. Okay, another. 1, 2, 3. Oh, diba? Hindi pa daw pwede. Magagalit si mama. The mom will get angry. Okay, next. 1, 2, 3. Okay, pretty girl. Next. Next na ako, ah. Matakot kayo. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next is 1, 2, 3. Next na ako. Next na si ma'am. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay? At this point, ladies and gentlemen, we will now witness our couple in their first dance together.